Hello, hello, hello mga kabaryo. Magandang araw po muli sa ating lahat. Perhaps you're wondering why I wasn't around for about 3 months, I think. Well, this is because I underwent another surgery to remove the implants in my fractured foot. And during my absence, my best friend Lloyd, Chef Lloyd, did a great job in preparing all these recipes. Ang sasarap ng iyong mga pre-prepared na recipes para sa ating mga viewers. Bro, maraming salamat. Prepare ka ulit ng mga recipes na iyong lulutuin sa mga susunod na linggo. And also, since malapit na ang Christmas, on behalf of Pinoy Barrio Cuisine, I would like to extend our Christmas greetings sa ating lahat. Despite of this pandemic na nararanasan natin ng buong mundo, huwag po tayong mawalan ng pag-asa. And let's still find time or find a room to celebrate this Christmas. So, samahan po natin ulit ang inyong lingkod, si Ka Eli, para lutuin at i-prepare ang masarap, malinamnam na recipe ngayong araw na to, ang baked fish fillet. So tara na po! Okay, let's melt our 15 grams butter. And if ever we require additional cooking oil, then we will do so. Let's pan fry our toman fish fillet 3 to 4 minutes each side. We're going to pan fry it half cooked because we're going to bake it anyway, so there's no need to fully cook our toman fish fillet. And aside from that, it's not good to fully pan fry toman fish fillet when you bake it. Okay, stop now. There you go. I don't think there's no need to add more cooking oil. The 15 grams is sufficient to pan fry our toman fish fillet. For your info, I use the unsalted butter. If you prefer the salted butter, then by all means you can use it. Can see that? Oh my goodness! Okay, using the same pan, we're going to saute our onion, garlic, and mushrooms. So let's heat again 15 grams of butter. And add garlic, minced garlic. Stir till fragrant, then add our diced onion. Okay, let's add now our diced onion. This recipe actually is a bit complicated because of the pan frying, sauteing, and then baking. So it takes around 1 hour to, or more than 1 hour to, from the preparation until the baking process. But it's worth the wait if the recipe is delicious, yummylicious, and it's only once in a while that you're going to cook such complicated yet delicious recipe. The only problem I can see so far is the complaint from my wife because of so many things or so many utensils I use in cooking this recipe. Now time to put in the shiitake mushroom. So if you can see, I put too much shiitake mushroom. Well, the reason being is since this is for your own consumption, so put generous amount. Don't be too stingy when it comes to your own happiness or for your own consumption. Okay, and let's simmer for a while. Let's simmer it for about 3 minutes. Now let's add the sliced button mushroom. Okay. And sprinkle a bit of dried rosemary. And let's simmer for about 3 minutes. To add more flavor, let's put half teaspoon of chicken seasoning. And simmer again for another minute. Okay, I just poured in 1 can cream of mushroom. Let's stir it well to dissolve it. And simmer for a while, about a minute or so. Okay, time. Now let's do taste test. Perfect. Now let's sprinkle half of this spring onion. And a bit of basil leaves. Then turn off our heat. Okay, using this glass pan, let's put half of this sauteed mushrooms, and then on top of this, let's put the pan-fried toman fish. Okay, like this. Okay, let's put now the pan-fried toman fish. There you go. La la la, mamma mia! And on top of it, let's pour now our ingredients, sauteed ingredients, like that. And spread it evenly. There you go. Ooh. Okay, let's grate the cheese on top. There you go. Ooh. Okay, it's ready to bake. Let's preheat our oven at 200 degrees for 5 minutes.